Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and today I have a haul for you guys. Now I know it's been a while, but I have picked up some stuff over the last couple of months that I wanted to share. I also wanted to talk about the scrapbooking landscape in general. There's been a lot of changes happening and I thought we'd chat through that while I show you what I've bought recently around my travels. Some stuff's from here, some stuff's online, but I thought I'd show you guys what I've been collecting. Firstly, a couple months ago, let's see, this was a long time ago, there was a little sale over at No White Space Stickers. If you have not seen their stuff yet, Disney lovers beware. Every time I share this with a Disney lover, they go and place an order and they want to place another one and another one. So this is actually from last year, I believe, but I don't think I got a full chance to showcase everything that I bought. So they're a little small business that focuses on stationery. I picked up a couple things. One of these is a washi card, which I'll get into in a moment. And then these sticky notes. How adorable are these little Winnie the Pooh-esque themed sticky notes. Need to put these on my work desk and so I can use them. But they're an Oops brand, so that means they're not exactly how the designer wished. But I think they look adorable anyhow. Secondly, a washi tape card. Now, if you've never used one of these before, essentially it is the size of a credit card. This one's themed to the traditional Magic Kingdom style ticket booklet they used to hand out back at Disneyland. So all the different attractions would have a different letter type and you'd get punches on them and use up your tickets. But essentially what you do is when you're laying down your washi tape and you want that straight line, you use this to break your washi. So really cute way to do that. And of course, she designed some washi tape, so I had to pick up two that weren't part of the sale. So the top one here is the Disney Cruise Line logo. You guys have seen some Disney Cruise pages over the years, but I still have a whole nother cruise to do. So even though I'm almost done with that one, I had to pick up this one. Second one's the little monorail. Now, can I adamantly say that the blue monorail is my favorite? No. But what I do love about this one is their sparkly Mickeys in the background. There you go. How cute are those? So you can see that. It runs around. So you can do just a full monorail strip. You could connect them together to do like an infinite monorail. But I picked up both of those from that little shop. And I'll have all of these shops linked down below if you guys are interested in checking them out. Next up in the order of things is a Pinkfresh Studio haul. Now I placed this haul before the announcement came out. And I'm very sad. I would have probably bought two of everything had I known. But recently, if you hadn't heard, Pinkfresh Studio is stepping away from scrapbooking collections for a little while. I am fingers crossed hopeful they'll come back better than ever. Pinkfresh Studio has such great quality products, hence why I keep buying them. And at the time of making this, they still have some grab boxes available. I think they'll be going very, very quickly. So if you really want some scrapbooking stuff, highly recommend them grab boxes. You don't know which collections you're going to get, but you can kind of tell based on the recent releases what types of products you might get. So a good bang for your buck there. But I did pick up some of the stuff during their clearance sale before, again, all of this stuff came out about it. And I want to show you guys what I got. This set of Happy Holidays Alpha. They're like a semi-puffy sticker. Really love the size of this font. And I really like that green color. Same collection. We have this script. I have a couple other ones in this font style, but a different colorway. But again, it's Christmas, so you gotta have the red. I thought those would look nice together too. Here is a little tag pack. So these are for journaling bits. And these are perfect for pocket pages, 12 by 12s, because some of them are really big. So they take up a nice space on your page and give you some room to scrapbook. But you also get a couple tags and banners in there that aren't, kind of like title purposes. So you can really use them however you wish. So I am really sad to see Pinkfresh Studio go on scrapbooking collections for a little while. Again, very hopeful they'll come back as they hope as well. But how precious are their designs. Now, I'll probably still be supporting them through their stamps and their die business over on the card making side of things because I also picked up some stuff in this haul that you'll see. But I can't believe how cute some of this stuff is. It is just so darling. These are some 3D wood accent embellishments. So cute. And as if you're following along, we have another collection here. This is Flower Market. This one's my favorite one. I couldn't leave this one behind by any means. How adorable. The more I look at it, the more I'm excited. This might have to be my next kit. And if you guys are looking for more videos, I do post a bunch over on Patreon. And some of the process videos over on Patreon can be real time. They can be exclusive to over there, but some of them come over here eventually. So if you're really holding out for some process videos, I hope to be uploading some here soon. Look how cute these are, all vellum pieces. Look at that. I can't get over it. These Take It Easy and Happy Day are such beautiful titles. And there's some really ornate little pieces. Again, all vellum, very precious. To go with that, we've got some chipboard flair, little circles. But overall, talking about the scrapbooking community while you guys look at these beautiful stickers, it is hard to watch so many places close their doors, but it's even more important now than ever to try to support them and keep the scrapbooking alive as we know it. These are beautiful layered stickers. So even if you don't have the budget, or if you're in a spending freeze or whatever, know that things like supporting on Instagram, on Facebook, the designers that work with the product can be really helpful for businesses because it will help them with the algorithms. It helps them with finding new patrons to support their business. These are 2 layered dies from them, again, from the card making side of things. And they're a decent size, so you could even use them on a scrapbook page. Really love this Take Care because I think I use that sentiment a lot and would like it in a die set. How cute are those? But even with the announcement of places like Close to My Heart closing their doors, it is a really sad time to be looking in the scrapbook world. And I hope this encourages many of you guys to support small businesses, those creators, however you can. Likes, comments, shares, video views. Obviously, your dollar speaks a lot as well. So if you're looking to add some stuff to your stash, these small design businesses can really, really help from that. So if you're looking for one to support, I'll have these 2 linked down below. I also have a full list on my website of a bunch of small businesses I like to support, crafting community and otherwise. So check those out if you're interested. To round out this haul with a little bit more hope, I'm going to talk about some of my future plans so you guys get excited for those. But I did see in the crafting communities, one of my many that I'm a part of on Facebook, post about a sale over at Ollies. And I know there's not Ollies in every state, but I was lucky enough to visit one in Texas because I've been to 2. They didn't have anything. And they had this. I've been eyeing this guy from American Crafts / Crepe Paper for a very long time. It is an absolutely beautiful journal that holds 2 beautiful traveler's notebooks. So it comes with a dotted one and a plain notebook. And this was only $3.99, a fantastic deal. It is a little bit worn, which is going to happen naturally when things sit on the shelves that long and don't move. But it comes with a pen pocket here, obviously the tassel and the item to close it here, the elastic. But I just love this design so, so much, and I can't wait to put a project in here. I love buying these because it just keeps your traveler's notebooks so secure, so nice and neat, and a little bit more dust-free than they would be on their own. So I highly recommend checking out your Ollies for one of these if you're into traveler's notebooks. Secondly, they posted about 12 by 12 paper pads, and I was not lucky enough to find any of those anywhere. But I was lucky enough to come across some sticker books, $2.99 for these guys. Again, absolutely beautiful set of stickers. These ones Heidi Swap, of course. Very bright and bold. They kind of almost match the kit I'm working with now. But how beautiful are some of these stickers. And I have a little bit of this collection, the Color Crush collection, but I don't have all of it. And this will be a nice addition to the parts that I do own. I have to fit them all in frames, so they gotta be sideways here. But just to give a better look of what might be waiting for you at Ollie's next time you go. And it's a little bit of a dig. These were all just in a random box. So when you go, be sure to keep your eyes peeled. And what I will say is there's a little bit of damage on some of these pages. So whether that's from long-term storage or if that's from, maybe that's why they were at a discount store. But there's 24 pages in here, and that is such a good deal if you're looking to build your stash. Lastly, we have this one from Crepe Paper. And I think Crepe Paper has quickly become one of my favorite American Crafts brands. I don't know what it is, but I always love the stuff that comes out. And again, I own some of the stuff from these collections. And if you haven't been part of the American Crafts sticker book craze, it seems as though the kind of mix and match which stickers go in which books, depending on what year they come out, of course. But how cute are these for summertime? Yeah, I believe this is the Wild at Heart collection. But if you're looking for more of my thoughts, if you're looking for more from me, most of that will be over on Patreon. I'm going to get back to posting process videos here. I think a lot of people just want some additional inspiration in their lives. Here's one of the pages that has some issues with the stickering. There's a lot of bubbling, so I'm not sure a lot of these letters will come up properly. Of course, my camera's not really showing the differentiation. You can kind of see them here. There's some streaks of bubbling from the sticker paper, which I knew before I bought it, so I'm not too worried, because it's not every page, but here's another one where the bubblings occurred. So something happened to these sticker books to bring them to Ollie's, but some of us are on a smaller budget and can appreciate the good deal while we find them. How beautiful are these color schemes, though? These are very gorgeous, too, the palm leaves. And here's some more of the additional damage you might find. But again, it might not be all of them. I was fine with the damage that I saw in these and picked them up anyhow, and they'll be a great addition to my collection. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul and little chat. I'm hopeful that we as a community will remain strong and supportive of all the small businesses that are joining, and of course keep creating. It is the livelihood of our projects, and our hobby itself is just creating while we can and having fun while doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, got a little bit of joy from this video, and seeing some fun goodies that might be coming to a kit sometime soon, especially these floral ones. Let me know if you would be interested in seeing that as part of my next kit, because these are simply gorgeous, and this is my personal letter to Pinkfresh Studio to come back with scrapbooking stuff in the very near future once they are settled with their refresh of their scrapbooking lines as they so see fit. But thank you guys again so much for joining me. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and you can check out all the links down below for anything you've seen in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!